grab your red, white, and blue paints because today we are crafting 4th of July crafts and I cannot wait to show you. For this first DIY craft, we are going to start with some Dollar Tree popsicle sticks. We're going to need 8 of them. And then we are going to line 7 of them nice and straight. And we're going to place another one horizontally and kind of mark where I want to see it. It's probably about 1.5 inches down from the top. We're going to take apart 4 of them and we're going to paint from that line up in this beautiful red. And then the other ones, we're going to do the same thing except we're going to use white paint. And then the final popsicle stick, we're going to paint the whole thing in a beautiful blue color. You can use markers if you want. Any paint is fine. Of course it is. I do like Waverly chalk paint because it has very good coverage, but you can use any paint. All right, while that is drying, we're going to take these large googly eyes and we are going to now line all of the popsicle sticks together. We're going to alternate the red and the white, line them up nice and straight. Add a thin line of hot glue and we're going to place that blue one right there. Then we're going to place the googly eyes right there at the top, creating a little guy. I'm going to grab a pink marker and I'm just going to make a little rosy nose. You don't have to, but I think it looks cute. All right, we're going to open up some cotton balls and we're just going to use this as the beard. We are going to start hot gluing from one end to the other side. Again, opening up each cotton ball and just hot gluing it. You can use white glue too. That should be fine. And then we're going to take it all the way to the other side. Once completely covered, we are then going to take scissors and we're simply going to angle cut the beard to make it look like a V shape. This part is optional. We're just going to take some of this jute string. We're going to loop it and knot it at one end, cut off the excess, and we're going to hot glue it to the back. This is in case we want to hang it like a little ornament, or you can add a magnet to the back. It's up to you. Love the way this one turned out. Such a patriotic little guy. Love using the cotton for the beard, but what do you think? Let me know down in the comments. For this next Dollar Tree DIY craft, we are going to use construction paper in the red and blue, a copy paper, a paper roll, and a balloon. I wish I would have had a red, white, or blue balloon, but I didn't, so I just picked whatever I have. I'm just going to line all the papers, stack them up on top of each other, and cut off a piece that's about 2.5 inches. It does not matter. I'm going to put that to the side. I'm going to cut the white paper into strips. I'm only going to need 5 or 6 of them. I don't know why I cut so many. Just a few is fine. Now for this one, you can use a glue stick like I did, or you can use white glue. It's up to you. I'm just going to add glue stick to the back of each strip, and then we are going to line them up on the red paper. Don't matter about reaching each end. It's okay because we're going to cut that off anyways. Just make sure that they are nice and separated. This is going to make it look like the American flag. All right, so I'm just going to cut off that excess side and then we're going to cut straight one end. I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue and we're just going to wrap it around the bottom portion of the paper roll. Just be careful. Again, you can also use staples if you want. Clear tape will work well, or even white glue. Wrap it around, adding a little bit more hot glue and then just securing it in place. It's coming together. All right, now we're going to take the blue one and we're just going to cut a strip that's about 2 inches thick. But before I get to that part, I want to encourage my son to learn how to use a hole puncher. So this is me teaching him how to do it. So I stack the pieces of paper all on top of each other and I'm showing him, and it's the cutest thing. I am telling you, it's the cutest thing because he could not figure it out. It was so cute. All right, well, he's figuring that out. I'm just going to start making what will look like little stars. It does not matter. You can also make little dots if that works best for you. I'm going to add as many as I can on this strip because this is what will be the starry portion of our flag. And so I'm just going to keep doing this. And then we are going to then cut off the excess and we are going to place it on the top. All right, so we're just about done. So I'm going to grab the balloon and I'm going to cut off the long portion. And then this is what we're going to place on one end. We're going to place this before we place the blue paper. Just push it all the way down, stretch it, and then kind of roll it up. You see what I'm doing? Just stretch it down and then roll it up. And then we're going to cover it up using the blue paper. So I'm just going to add the hot glue very carefully. and we're going to place it. So this is going to cover most of the balloon, but again, if I had blue, red, or white balloon would have looked a little better. Wrap it all the way around, and I'm going to secure it again with a little bit of hot glue. Again, clear tape will also work very well. All right, so my son really did a good job. I was so proud of him. So I just finished it up because we're creating confetti. So I'm just going to do the rest here to have enough. And I'm going to show you how fun is this. We're going to place all of our confetti inside the paper roll. And then we are going to just launch it out. Here's what it looks like. How fun. And then here's in slow-mo. It actually works. What a fun 4th of July patriotic craft you can make. You probably have all of these supplies already at home, so it's an easy one. But what do you think? Let me know down in the comments. For this next DIY craft, we are going to take some copy paper and we are going to make some dots. Red and blue dots. You can use whatever design you want. You can make wavy lines, you can make squares, you can add stickers, you can whatever. It does not matter. I'm just going to make dots because it's easy and quick. And I'm just going to cover the whole thing. I cut off about a 4-inch piece of the paper. All right, now we're going to take this foam ball. We're going to place this stick right here. And we are going to paint one side of it red. We're going to leave the middle portion white. And we're going to color the other side blue. We are making what will look like a little snow cone. So cute. Again, I'm using Waverly chalk paint, but you can use any paint you want, even any color. It really does not matter. It's just about having fun. So once I have it painted, I'm just going to set it to the side to dry. I'm going to make a little cone using the paper, and I'm just going to make a cone. So easy. And I'm going to use clear tape to secure it at the bottom. And then I'm using my scissors. I'm just going to cut off the excess and making sure that it's nice and straight. And of course, kids can do that very carefully. And then we are going to place the snow cone inside. We're going to add a little bit of hot glue. I'm going to leave this stick because this is going to create a little bit of weight. And I'm just going to place it right in. I was not patient enough to wait till the paint dried, so I'm being very careful, but I think it turned out absolutely adorable. You can make so many of these with different kind of flavors and colors. I think it's so fun. I'd love to know what you think of this one. Again, such an easy one with probably items you already have at home. I have another video here for you with tons more of Dollar Tree DIY crafts inspiration. Check it out. I'll see you later and have fun crafting.